Hello, my name is Susan Donaldson, and I will be reviewing my Pop On Veneers that I got in the mail today. I am super excited to just smile again. It's been 15 years. I have some missing teeth, and due to dental issues, and I saw Pop On Veneers on, I think it was YouTube. And so I watched the videos. I watched a couple of videos actually. And then I went to their website and I placed an order. And within, I want to say, a week, the impression kit showed up and I did my impressions. And they give you 3 chances to make a good impression with your teeth and everything like that. And once you do the impressions, you send the kit back, and my kit came back a week after I sent it back. So I was super excited to get it in the mail. And like I said, this is the box that it comes in. I'm going to be opening it up and I'll show you all the good things that you get in it. You get this mirror case with your veneers in it. You get a soft bristle toothbrush. I can't speak today, but a soft bristle toothbrush. This is the little packet that you should come in, and they do recommend that you rinse them off before use. They also give you some cleaning tablets. And what else was really neat that I got in the kit was I did get a 3D impression of my actual molds that they use to form my veneers in. And there's also a card welcoming you to the Pop On family. And you can refer a friend and it'll give them 20% off of their new smile, and they will send you a $20 gift card of your choice after they purchase. So that's pretty cool. And you can do a review because there's a place up here at the top to do the review right up here. And you just scan it with your phone and it'll take you to the review page. So let's get into it. Let's see how they fit. Okay. Now, I'm going to start with the bottom ones first, because this is where the most noticeable tooth is missing right here. There's that snap. You hear that snap? Yep, it's in. See? And these are the top ones. And those just snapped right in. Now you will notice a little lisp, but they said with time it'll go away. But I am more than satisfied. And I mean, look at this. I mean, they're beautiful. I love them. And I love showing them off. And I'm so happy with Pop On Smiles. I would recommend them to anyone else. And hopefully my story will encourage you to go out and get the Pop On Veneers. You'll be glad that you did.